Hey friends, typically I'm coming to you from our PLC training center or some manufacturing environment. Today though, I have a personal ask from you. A big passion of Amber and mine is clean waters. This glass right here is something that a lot of us take for granted, and I did for a long time until I was on a project in a country one time where we needed to remove some contaminants from an industrial process before that water was discharged. And we were in a hurry, and the local company put the discharge pipe right out into the street. And we were like, hey, you can't put that into the street. It's got to go into the sewer. And they're like, no, it's the same thing. Come on, let me show you. And they took me down to the river, and there was a 24-inch pipe coming out of the plant, just spilling right into the river. And it was the first time I realized that clean water is not something that we all have. And that started Amber and I down a path of helping people get clean water. These pictures that you see here are not B-roll images. These are images where we have seen the life-changing effects that clean water can bring to a village. We provide our PLC content that you use for free, whether you purchase our products or not. So now we're asking you, will you go down to the description of this video and help us bring clean water to those who need it?